world, I'm Colleen and welcome to my glamorous life. If you don't know who I am, I'm an almost 50-year-old mom with 3 teenagers here to give you helpful tips, tricks, and honest reviews. So if that sounds like something you're into, do me a favor, click that subscribe button, would you? I'd appreciate it. Today I'm going to give you a little fun, flirty party look with my Nikkie Tutorials palette. Absolutely love this palette. It's got so many wonderful bright colors, and today we're going to focus on a red and a green look. So let's get to it. So we're going to start our look with Nikkie here. I think I said that right. I probably didn't. Nikki will correct me eventually, I'm sure. And we're going to trace out our candy cane stripe. I'm using a pencil brush, nicely loaded. Tap off the extra. I'm going to start in the corner of my eye here, and I'm going to draw a little swoop. You can't, it's really light yet. That's okay. I'm going to build it up. I don't mind having extra product in the corner here because we're going to clean up stuff in a little bit, okay? You see that's just above the crease of my eye, kind of swooping out and up. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. And I'm just using the brush kind of like a pencil to draw the line where I want it. And if it's not quite right, I'm going to go back over it. I'm just going to draw over it again. Like I said, this is not going to be perfect. I'm going to clean this up as we go. So we're going to start a nice heavy red line here. In both eyes. I'm going to go down a little bit there and out. Now, I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I mean a fluffy brush here, and I'm going to blend this up. I don't want to blend it down, I want to blend it up and out. So I'm just going to do little circles counterclockwise on my eyes. It'd be, looking this way, it's kind of clockwise, but on me, it's counterclockwise. So, because we just want to break up that rough edge. But we want that bright red because we want to do that Christmas look, right? I've got a patch right here where it's hit a scar. I have a scar there, and it just kind of sank right into it. Drat that Cocker Spaniel. Yeah, it was my own Cocker Spaniel. He had issues, and he turned on me one day and tried to take my eye out. But that's okay. He was a good boy otherwise. Now, same thing. I'm going out. So this way I was going this way. This eye I'm going this way. So I'm blending up and out. No matter which side I'm on, it's up and out. Okay. So now we have this really big, dramatic, red look. And that's it, right? Well, I'm going to take cotton bud and my all-time favorite. You know the drill. Anytime I want to clean anything up, it's the Makeup Forever Scentsy Eyes. Right on the back of my hand, right there. Roll the cotton bud in it, and then I can clean up whatever I want. And in this case, I'm going to clean up my lid and make a nice sharp line there. Now, if you get too much red on the cotton bud and you need to, you can turn it over and use the other side. Or go back and use the other end of the cotton bud. Because I want to clean this outer corner now so I have that nice clean swoop. See that? Nice clean swoop out just past my eyebrow there. This is going to be fun. I love this. All right, now, once I'm sure I've got everything cleaned off there, I'm going to go back and do the other eye. New cotton bud, a little more Scentsy Eyes, and let's clean the other one to match. Okay, now at this point, if you notice, I've got one eye that's got a little more intensity than the other. I'm going to go back in with that pencil brush and just follow that clean line now and increase that intensity right there. There we go. Focus, please. Thank you. All right, I'm liking this so far. What do you think? You have no idea what I'm doing yet, do you? Don't worry about it. Sometimes I don't have any idea what I'm doing either. But that's the beauty of makeup. Like I said, you can always put it on, take it off, and redo it later. So now I am going in with my clean pinky here. I'm going to go into the color Ivy, which is the super, super silver one at the top here that you can just barely see on camera. And I'm going to highlight my brow with that. And just kind of let that drag over the red a little bit. It's okay on the end. Give it that little pepperminty look. Okay. Now, I'm going in with my Beauty Chop Stuck on You eyeshadow base, and I'm going to fill in that lid again, right underneath that crease, kind of officially cutting that crease completely. We cleaned the red off mostly, because if you don't clean the red off and you go and put the concealer or eyeshadow base, which I prefer eyeshadow base to concealer, on again, then nothing's going to stick. But if you don't clean off the red ahead of time, when you go to put this on, you're going to have nothing but pink down here instead of a nice clean beige canvas, which is what I want. So we're going to take that right up on the edge of that, because I want that line as sharp as I can get it here. There we go. Nice sharp little line there. Now, let's see. We're going to go back in with the Nikkie, but I'm going to go in with a smaller pencil brush now. And I'm going to line my top lashes. So all the way into that corner and just drag it right across the top there. And then follow that swoop on the outside. We want to keep that vibe going on here. I don't like that. And that's what happens. Sometimes you don't like what you do. So that is when we have makeup remover. Only this time I'm going to take a cotton pad because it's pretty. Ooh. The Christmas trees are having sex in my nose. There we go. All right. That little bit of cleanup, just tap that with a little bit of the, there we go. All right. So I've lined the lid. Now I want to kind of bring it up right here. I'm going to go ahead and connect that there. And you'll see why in a minute. Connect that there. Make that my wing. Okay. Little graphic-y looky. I haven't blended anything yet, so don't panic. Make sure I'm staying on camera. I hate it when I go flying off camera on you and you can't see me. I have no awareness of where my camera is. Okay. Now I have another little pencil brush, and I'm going to, once again, up and out that line so it softens it up a little bit. Right into that corner. That silly scar of mine's just hanging on to pigment. I'm going to get some water here. I'm coughing up a storm today. And no, it's not COVID, I swear. getting up too early in the morning. All right, now in the other eye, once again, up and out, but in the opposite direction because I'm going up and out. And the idea is we're just blending that out so it looks really nice in there, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, and you're gonna think this is absolutely insane, I am going to fill the center of this once again with the ivy, okay? But I'm gonna use my ring finger this time. And we're gonna just tap that right into the center and right across everything. Look at how Christmassy that looks. I love it. Oh, I didn't blend that very well over here. Hold on. There we go. I know on a lot of the younger kids, when they're doing their makeup, there's a lot of really bold, you know, hard lines, bright color, what have you. I like to kind of keep mine more blended out just because I think it looks better when I blend it out on me. It also allows me to wear the brighter colors like this without like spazzing out over it. Okay, so let me grab some eyeliner. Hold that thought. Okay, now this is a wonderful liner. This is a NYX gel liner, and it is in the color White Pearl. I've had this thing forever, so I don't even know if they still make it. I hope they do because I love it. But I don't use it very often because it's white. So I'm going to right around the bottom of this here. Just give that a little more definition. See? Starting to look like a little peppermint candy there. Oops. Broke a little off the end. All right. And here again, I've seen this similar look done with like a super sharp white line in there. I don't know if I like the sharp white on me. It just doesn't work as well. You know, as it is, I've got some pretty hard lines going on in this for me, which is, shall we say, weird. Okay, now, under my eye, I'm going in with U. At least I'm assuming it's U and not ew, because it's Dutch, and I don't speak Dutch very well. But let me get in here with this. We're going to go underneath. Look at how pretty that is. Look how green that is. I love it. It is just so green. Now I haven't done my under eye concealer or anything yet for a reason, because in case anything fell out, I didn't want to have to like totally redo it. And I'm going to just drag this up there. Okay. This is going to be a super fun, like, party look. Like you want to go to that office party, but you can't, and you're going to be on Zoom, on camera, on Zoom. This will look great, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go underneath with the All In, which is her glitter shimmer here, right here, in gold, since I did the silver on the top. But I'm going to go in with the brush with this, because I want to just touch that to this green here underneath. Just to put that little pop of glitter there. Okay, now I have my Laura Geller double-ended Line and Define. It's got a bronze liner on one end, gel liner, but I'm going to use the nice big thick pen today. And I'm going to go right in the middle of where I've got that green and the red and just kind of drag it down. Come on. That's going to kind of give my eye a little more definition there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my lashes here, because otherwise I'm going to have this big old white spot in between all my lashes. Okay. All right, mascara time. My favorite Laura Geller Lash Boss. Just a single coat to color my own lashes, because I'm going to throw some false lashes on over this. Boy, howdy, am I going to ever? Because like I said, this is a fun party look, and I'm excited because the neat thing about fun party looks is you don't have to be, I've got a cat going nuts over here. Nice thing about fun party looks is you don't have to be all conservative. You can just be a little flirty and fun and do something different. Doesn't matter what your age is. Okay. Once I have that mascara on that bottom lash, see how that green just, oh, love it. Okay. I missed a whole section of lashes. There we go. Like I said, I haven't done my under eye concealer yet, even though I've put my mascara on. I wanted to do that first. And now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop off camera. I'm going to throw on my concealer, my lashes, and my blush and lipstick, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. A little bit of party look, huh? What do you think? You want to wear it? I do. I like it. This just goes to show that it doesn't matter how old you are. If you're going to go to a party and you're going to have fun with your makeup. Do something different. Do something people don't expect. If you wear brown all the time, throw a pop of color in there. If you wear color all the time, go brown, go dark, go mysterious. It's entirely up to you. We're on the big countdown for the end of Christmas now, so we've only got a few more left, and I'm sorry I missed last Friday, but I will be there this Friday, and stay tuned. We're going to have that sugar cookie recipe up sometime later this week, too. Talk to y'all later. Ta-ta!